You are closer to wasting your life than you think. 30 days will pass whether you act or not. The question is simple. Will you stay the same or become unrecognizable? Right now, your days are leaking away. Hours disappear into your phone. Comfort feels normal. Delay feels harmless. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving. And deep down, you know it. You feel the weight of unused potential. You feel the gap between who you are and who you should be. You are not broken. You are undisciplined. And that is hard to hear, but powerful to accept. Because once you see the truth, excuses lose their power. No one is coming to save you. No one owes you motivation. Your life is a direct result of what you do every day, not what you plan.
Welcome to Ignic Minds.
Discipline Rule 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Not when you feel ready, when you said you would. This trains your mind to obey you. Rule 2. Remove one distraction that wastes your time. One app, one habit, one escape. You do not need more focus. You need fewer exits. Rule 3. Move your body daily, even when you feel tired, especially when you feel tired. Action creates energy, not the other way around. Rule 4. Do one hard thing on purpose every day. Cold showers, difficult workouts, uncomfortable conversations. Discomfort sharpens you. Rule 5. Stop negotiating with yourself. If you say you will do it, do it. Confidence is built through kept promises. Rule 6. Eat like someone who respects their future. Food is not just fuel, it is a vote for who you are becoming. Rule 7. Protect your mornings. No phone, no noise. Win the first hour and the rest of the day follows. Rule 8. Write down your goals daily, not once, every day. Repetition burns direction into your mind. Rule 9. Go to bed with purpose. Sleep is not weakness, it is preparation. Rule 10. Show up even when no one is watching, especially then. That is where identity is forged. At first, it will feel fake, unnatural, like you are forcing change. That is normal. You are breaking old patterns. But then something shifts. Your posture changes, your eyes change, your standards rise. People will notice before you do. They will say you are different, more focused, more dangerous to your old life. This is not motivation. This is momentum. 30 days from now, you will not need hype. You will have proof. Proof that you can be trusted. Proof that you can endure discomfort. Proof that you are no longer average. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Pick one rule, then another tomorrow. Move now, because the version of you that stays the same is already running out of time.